Hello everyone, welcome to the English Chatcast. I'm Ben, and I'm here with my co-host Anna.
Hi there, I'm Anna, and we're so excited you're here.
Before we jump into today's English practice, we have a very quick but incredibly important favor to ask all of you. Please take just a moment to like this video and subscribe to the English Chatcast channel.
That is absolutely right. Hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel is incredibly important for us. When you engage with our videos, it sends a powerful message directly to the YouTube algorithm. It tells the platform that our English lessons are valuable, high quality, and genuinely helpful for your learning journey. That interaction pushes our videos out to thousands of other English learners all over the world who might really need this free resource.
Your amazing support is the only reason we are able to keep producing these free lessons for you every single week. So please hit that subscribe button right now. We truly appreciate every single one of you. Your support means everything to our growing community. Now, Anna, I know the weather has been a little crazy here in the studio parking lot today.
It really has. I spent my whole morning just trying to keep my long red hair from blowing wildly into my glasses every time a gust of wind hit me. I am very glad to be inside where it is calm and quiet so we can focus.
I agree completely. I actually just got a fresh, close shave this morning, so I am totally clean-shaven and feeling very refreshed and ready to get to work. Today, we are bringing you a massive, highly requested shadowing session. Shadowing is a remarkably effective language learning technique. You listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say. It trains your physical mouth muscles and your brain to use proper English pronunciation, intonation, and natural rhythm.
It is the absolute fastest way to sound completely natural when you speak. We are going to explain exactly how this works for you. You're going to hear each phrase or sentence twice, and you should repeat the phrase or sentence you heard while following the captions on the screen.
We have prepared 5 different sets of exercises for you today for a total of 50 sentences. We are keeping all of the sets easy with just a few words per sentence, heavily focused on talking about yourself in English.
They reflect exactly what you might say when talking about yourself, your family, your hobbies, your interests, or your career. I will start us off with the first sentence in our first easy set, and then Ben will take the next one. We will each repeat our sentences 4 times. Remember to speak up and practice right along with us. Are you ready? Let's begin. I paint tall mountains. I paint tall mountains.
My sister loves music. My sister loves music.
We drink hot cocoa. We drink hot cocoa.
I work at a garage.
I work at a garage.
He drives a yellow bus. He drives a yellow bus.
My dad builds chairs.
My dad builds chairs.
I need a clean shirt. I need a clean shirt.
She takes long walks. She takes long walks.
I walked to the bank. I walked to the bank.
We have a small bird. We have a small bird.
Great job, everyone. That is the end of the first set. Remember to project your voice confidently into the room and focus on the rhythm of the words. Please do not worry about stumbling over a word while you are practicing.
That is wonderful advice, Anna. Now, we are going to move right into the second set. These sentences will follow the exact same easy format, focusing on daily habits and family life. Keep up the great work. I wash the dirty dishes.
I wash the dirty dishes.
My brother plays tennis. My brother plays tennis.
We eat cold grapes. We eat cold grapes.
I work at a hotel. I work at a hotel.
He rides a blue train. He rides a blue train.
My uncle sells cars. My uncle sells cars.
I want some cold milk. I want some cold milk.
She plants tall trees. She plants tall trees.
I run to the store. I run to the store.
We have a quiet fan. We have a quiet fan.
Fantastic work on that second set. You are doing amazing. Your pronunciation is going to sound so incredibly natural if you keep practicing just like this. Stay focused and keep your energy high.
Now we are ready for our third set. We are keeping the sentences short and simple so you can master your mouth movements without worrying about complex vocabulary. Take a deep breath and let us begin. I clean the wooden floors. I clean the wooden floors.
My cousin likes science. My cousin likes science.
We buy sweet fruit. We buy sweet fruit.
I work at a bakery. I work at a bakery.
He flies a big kite. He flies a big kite.
My aunt bakes warm pies. My aunt bakes warm pies.
I need a soft blanket. I need a soft blanket.
She draws nice houses. She draws nice houses.
I drive to the park. I drive to the park.
We have a warm fire. We have a warm fire.
Outstanding job, everyone! You are already past the halfway mark of today's lesson. Shake out your shoulders, stay relaxed, and keep your energy up.
Here comes our fourth set. We are continuing with practical, everyday sentences that you can use immediately in your daily English conversations. Let us jump right back in.
I sweep the front stairs. I sweep the front stairs.
My friend loves movies. My friend loves movies.
We drink fresh juice. We drink fresh juice.
I work at a market. I work at a market.
He takes the late train. He takes the late train.
My grandma sings songs. My grandma sings songs.
I want a warm soup. I want a warm soup.
She writes short poems. She writes short poems.
I jogged to the river. I jog to the river.
We have a green rug. We have a green rug.
Brilliant job on set number 4. We know 50 sentences is a lot of hard work, but repetition is truly the secret key to mastering a new language.
It really is. You have made it to the 5th and final set for today. Give it everything you have left and finish strong. Repeat after us. I wash the big dog. I wash the big dog.
My uncle plays chess. My uncle plays chess.
We eat red apples. We eat red apples.
I work at a farm. I work at a farm.
He sails a small boat. He sails a small boat.
My grandpa knits scarves. My grandpa knits scarves.
I need a new black pen. I need a new black pen.
She reads funny books. She reads funny books.
I hiked to the woods. I hike to the woods.
We have a nice yard. We have a nice yard.
You did it! Fantastic job, everyone! You conquered all 5 sets today. We know that required a tremendous amount of focus, and we are incredibly proud of your dedication to improving your spoken English. Since we are both exactly 22 years old, we know how tough it is to balance studying with everything else going on in life, so we truly respect your effort today.
We highly recommend saving this video and coming back to it a few times this week. The more you vocalize these shadowing exercises, the faster you will naturally speak without translating words in your head first. Thank you all so much for joining us for another productive episode of the English Chatcast. We absolutely love having you as a dedicated part of our community. Seeing your progress is what motivates us to keep creating these lessons.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep listening, and remember that learning English with us is
A piece of cake. Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time on the English Chatcast.